Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Today I will show you how to open a Lloyds bank account. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Just write Lloyds bank, here it is, the first one, on your Google browser or any other browser that you use. Click on the first link that pops up, their website. Click on menu, current accounts, classic account. As you can see, they have classic, silver and other accounts, Club Lloyds, Platinum, etc. Click on the classic account. Just so you know, if you don't know, you need to be at least 18 years old. I think that to apply for this account you need to be aged 18 or older and live in the UK. New customer, apply now, continue. This is if you want to continue this on mobile, just scan this QR code. If not, click on continue. Answer these questions. Are you exiting Lloyds Bank? Are you existing Lloyds Bank customer? No. Do you already have a UK? No. And continue. And all you need to do now is to fill out this form, and that's it. You got your account. I hope that I help you. Till the next time, I wish you all the best. Bye.